Earthquake triangulation. Let's look at how we're going to triangulate the earthquake's epicenter using the earthquake triangulation tool. First of all, I've got several seismic stations already on here. You can select those and it will show you at the bottom the latitude and longitude. You can add a seismic station. All you have to do is go up here and click the plus station sign, and then you can change the latitude. So let's say we want to put one in Rochester. We could just say it was latitude 44.01 and longitude minus 92.5. And this should be in Rochester. Now you can also zoom way in on these things. And you could move it by hand. So let's say we know that it's actually over here. We can move that over to that location. And then we can zoom back out. So there's also a few features you can look at over here. If you click on this corner, you can click advanced options, you can click map options here, and you can show stations, change the units to degrees. I would like you to do that. You can add plate boundaries. You can change the opacity of the things, circles. You can show earthquakes. Just clicking on there, you get some earthquakes. And you can show a marker, and we'll use that later. Now, what you have to do then is for each station, enter what the distance is. So let's say that the distance from Rochester was 16.2 degrees. That would be the circle right there. And then you can do the same for each of the other stations. So you can click on Portland, and you can either click down here and put the distance in degrees, or you can just click and drag it out like this. And you can do the same with these. So, so let's say that Tucson, the distance was, let's say that the epicenter was there, but let's say the distance was 11 degrees, you could type 11 degrees down here, or you can just drag it out until it's 11 degrees. And so after entering the distances for at least 3, if not more, then your circles should all come together at one location. So given if you have all the locations of the stations correct, and the distances correct, then you can use that. And so now what you can do is, let's zoom out a little bit, is add a marker to that. So let's click Show Marker, and you will see that it comes up here at 0, 0 to start with, and then you can just drag it up to your location, and then you can zoom in on that location and replace it, maybe right up here, and then you can read off the latitude and longitude of the little star, and that will tell you what the latitude and longitude of the earthquake's epicenter is. So very good.